When was the last time you prayed without rushing? Sa Gospel today, Jesus spent the night in prayer to God before choosing His apostles. Wow! Hindi lang siya basta-basta pumili. Pinagdasal niya. Grabe, no? If Jesus needed prayer, how much more tayo? Saint Peter Claver served slaves with compassion, pero it all started with prayer. Baka kaya minsan, walang impact ang ginagawa natin kasi hindi tayo nakaugat sa panalangin. Try mo, bago gumawa ng kahit ano, project, decision, relationship, pray first. Don't just act. Prayerfully discern. Today, pause and pray seriously for one important thing sa buhay mo. G ka ba?